Hello everyone, thank you for joining me in today. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. My name is Bridget and on this channel I share food recipes, DIY kids projects and family support videos. In today's video we are making air fry spicy jack chicken wings. This recipe is so easy to make and it tastes so juicy. So let's get started into the main recipe. In here I have my washed chicken. I have washed it with some lime juice in the main water. You can use lemon juice or vinegar as well. To that I'll add some paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and I also add some total seasoning. And I will be using this hot and spicy jack seasoning. You can use the mild one as well if you would like. I'll be adding about 1 tablespoon. To that, I'll also add a little bit of red pepper flakes, some dry parsley, black pepper, and some salt to taste. And I'll be mixing everything nicely together until the chicken is well coated with the marinade. I will also be leaving all the ingredients in their right quantity in the description box below as usual for easy access. So after mixing everything, you have the option to just go ahead and cook your chicken or let it marinate in the refrigerator for a few minutes or hours. I will be marinating mine overnight. That is how I like my chicken or proteins to be done most of the time. So I'll marinate this for overnight and this is the next day. This is how it's looking. So I'm just going to be lining up my air fryer basket with some aluminum foil to collect the juice from the chicken as it cooks, and it also helps in easy cleaning for me. It's not anything fancy. So now I'm just going to be loading up my air fryer with the chicken and we are going to be moving on to baking it. You can also bake this in the oven. This is another option and it comes out just perfect. So I'll be air frying this at 355 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. You can turn it halfway through the cooking time or you can just leave it and let it cook through. The option is yours. And this is how our chicken is looking. It looks beautiful. I like how the marinade is nicely coated with the chicken outside and it looks so juicy. The flavors were blasting. I'm not just making this up. You have to try this recipe. I garnish with some red onion, some cucumber, and wedges of lime. And a squeeze of that lime on the chicken was so divine. And I want to thank you for watching this recipe with me. And if you like simple recipes like this and you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Blessed week.